Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Ford Transit, stock reference number 5893. This shape ran from the 6th of 2019 to the current day. It has a VN 2.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed front-wheel drive auto transmission. Here's your VN 2.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, no dents, left front wheel, steel, 16-inch rim. Left hand mirror, left front door, 1 dent, left rear door sliding, no dents, left rear wheel steel, 16-inch, good tyre, left rear tail light, left hand tailgate, no dents, right hand tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear wheel steel, 16-inch, good tyre. Right rear door sliding, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front wheel steel, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Gear stick. Heater controls. Touchscreen display, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.